lo choppy o lo she. My baby choppy o lo. Oh yeah, that's like say, and they for your man. Go to enter your shokoto.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a tutorial on how I was able to do this kinky twist hairstyle. If you're not ready, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, today I'll show you guys how I was able to do this beautiful natural looking hairstyle. I've actually done a couple of these styles, but this one is pretty different because it's really short than the normal length I go for. And this type of kinky twist is a new kinky twist I decided to try. There's this hair, I bought the hair from Amazon. I decided to try it. They call it spring twist because it's gonna give you a very real spring curls, you know. So I decided to buy it. I bought it I think it was $19.99 or something from Amazon. I'm gonna look for the link and I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So I bought it. When I bought it, it comes in it comes 3 packs in one bag. So I used 2 packs and a little from the remaining bag. And guys, it was pretty easy to do. Like, the twist does not take that much time because it's a short twist. Please ignore my kids in the background, they're actually playing. But what I'll tell you is that when doing the twist, you have to be very careful. That you don't have to make the twist tight. If you make it tight, you will not get a very nice spring twist. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys everything in the video. And another reason why I love this style is the fact that you can keep this style for a very long time. You can actually wash this hair. You can do so many styles with it. In fact, you can never go wrong with doing this type of hairstyle. And for $19.99, you can actually do a hair that can last you up to a month to 2 months. Like, you have nothing to lose, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also be generous, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Now let's just get into the tutorial. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my braiding pattern. I'm gonna take out some little portion of hair in front, on the sides, and at the back as well.
She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh.
I'm only gonna crochet the middle hair.
You want murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So pack it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Make you follow me and be my only.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and begin with my braiding pattern.
Slow down, girl. Hold on, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder.
So this is the hair I bought from Amazon. It came in a pack like this. I used 2 packs and a little from the 3rd pack. So I'm gonna take 1 strand and I'm gonna split it into 2 equal halves. So I'm going to take 1 part and I'm going to stretch it. Now I'm going to go in with my cream and apply on my fingers to make it easier for me to twist. So I'm going to show you guys how I twist. This is actually the wrong way to twist it. So when you twist it, make sure you don't twist it too tight. It's not the same as Marley hair that you twist tight. You don't twist this hair too tight. As you guys can see, I'm twisting it too tight and it's not going to come out well. So right here, I'm going to show you guys how to properly twist it. You just twist it loose. You know, when you're twisting it, you draw your hands down. Just make it very loose and light. So you guys can see that way you're gonna get a very nice spring twist like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again. As you guys can see, I'm twisting it to be very, very loose. It actually took me some time to figure it out because I was twisting it tight and I was not getting it right. So you have to make sure that your twist is loose. That way you're going to get a very beautiful twist. So right here I'm going to start crocheting into my hair.
She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this.
So right here I'm done with the crochet part, so I'm going to put it away and I'm going to start with my hair in front. So I'm going to take a strand, split it into two and then stretch it. You guys are not going to see it very well here, but I promise you I'm going to show you guys very soon. You see it very clearly.
I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty girl. You're a naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know.
So first of all, I decided to do like a braid on the root to hold the twist very well. So guys, I'm going to place the extension of my hair and use my hair as the third hair that I'll use to cornrow in the beginning. Then when I get to an extent, I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into 2 equal halves and then twist.
Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. This body, baby, oh, Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Hey, his body, baby, oh, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video.
So right here I'm done. As you guys can see, it's absolutely beautiful. I love this hairstyle. Like, I so much love this hairstyle. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water on my edges at first. Then now I'll be using my then now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my jam. I'm sorry I didn't show it. So I'm just gonna apply my jam and I'm gonna slick my edges with my brush.
You got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say.
So right here, I'm gonna tie my scarf and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be back. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of my hair mousse. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder.